It is one of the most affordable high-protein meals on this list. Let's start with meal number 1. Meal number 1. Oatmeal with milk and banana. This simple breakfast uses just 3 pantry staples: oats, milk, and a banana. Oatmeal can help support a feeling of fullness in the morning, which may be helpful as part of a balanced diet. Preparation tip: use quick oats and microwave them for 2 minutes. Slice the banana on top and you are done. Meal number 2. Eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Eggs are one of the most budget-friendly protein options available, and this meal comes together in under 5 minutes. Scramble 2 eggs in a pan, add a handful of spinach, and serve on a slice of whole grain toast. Meal number 3. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. This no-cook meal requires 0 preparation. Just scoop your Greek yogurt, add a handful of berries, and top with a small amount of mixed nuts. Greek yogurt is a useful protein option, and nuts may help support lasting fullness as part of a balanced diet. Meal number 4. Tuna with whole grain toast and cucumber. Canned tuna is one of the cheapest protein sources at your grocery store. Spread tuna directly on whole grain toast and add cucumber slices on the side. Meal number 5. Canned lentils with carrots and low-sodium broth. Open a can of lentils, add sliced carrots, and pour in low-sodium vegetable broth. Warm everything through and you have a filling, budget-friendly meal in 10 minutes. Meal number 6. Baked potato with cottage cheese and herbs. A medium baked potato is one of the most affordable foods at any store. Microwave the potato for 6 minutes, top with a scoop of cottage cheese, and add a sprinkle of herbs such as chives or parsley. Meal number 7. And this is the one we promised you. Beans with rice and avocado. This is the budget high-protein champion on our list. A can of black beans or kidney beans, microwave rice, and half an avocado gives you a filling meal for well under $2 per serving. This meal is fast, easy, and satisfying, and seniors living alone can make it in under 5 minutes. Meal number 8. Peanut butter on toast with banana. Spread natural peanut butter on 2 slices of whole grain toast and slice a banana on top. Peanut butter is a budget-friendly protein option and a great pantry staple. Meal number 9. Eggs with mushrooms and spinach. Sauté sliced mushrooms in a small pan, add spinach, then crack in 2 eggs and scramble everything together. A warm, filling meal using 3 common ingredients. Meal number 10. Greek yogurt, banana, and peanut butter smoothie. Add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 banana, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter to a blender. Blend for 30 seconds and you have a smooth, creamy drink that many seniors find easy on days when appetite is lower. And there you have it. 10 cheap, 3-ingredient meals that are simple, budget-friendly, and easy to make after 60. Staples like eggs, oats, yogurt, and spinach appear across multiple meals. Buying these regularly can help keep your grocery costs low. This video is for general education only. Please speak with your doctor or dietitian before making major changes to your diet. Which meal will you try first? Comment a number from 1 to 10 below. I would love to know your favorite. Save this video for your next grocery trip. And if you enjoy simple meal ideas for seniors, please subscribe. See you in the next one.